Hello friends, today I'm going to describe some of the precautions that an astrologer must take while doing consultation. Firstly, it is important to ensure correct birth time. Many clients think that they have correct birth time, but when you rectify certain events, you find that their birth time is not correct. In this regard, we have to do correct BTR, that is birth time rectification. Secondly, while prescribing remedies, it is important for an astrologer to know that remedies do not work for every area of life. For example, nowadays you can see that people have this habit of prescribing remedies for every area like wealth, job, and everything. But remedies have their limitations. They work only in certain fields, especially your health. Thirdly, it is also important that astrologer uh, makes the client comfortable with proper counseling as well. Sometimes clients are not in proper mindset. It is important that astrologer understands their point of view as well. Also, while making predictions, sometimes people have this habit of they want to know that what is the exact amount of wealth they'll be earning in their life, but it is not so easy to predict that. Of course, you can say that certain amount of wealth is possible in a person's chart, but predicting the exact millions and billions, it's not possible at all. Lastly, some astrologers are also charging exorbitant amount of money, or some are doing it for free. For proper working of the science, it is important that correct energy exchange is happening between the client and the astrologer. Hope this was useful to you. Thank you.